Hi guys, in this video I'm going to test out a smartphone gimbal. I'm going to take this out in the field and show you some real world examples of shots taken with and without this stabilizer. So stick around. So I've been shooting more and more video using my smartphone lately. And I notice in some shots, if I'm moving, if I'm walking around, it gets a little jittery and shaky, and I want to try to avoid that. So I picked up a smartphone gimbal. This is the Zhiyun Smooth Q. I'll put a link to it down in the description below. You can check it out. Basically, the way this works is you attach your phone here, and it's got a handle with a few axes on here. And basically, it allows you smooth movement of your phone as you're moving around in different directions. It'll keep the actual camera facing one direction. So if you're vlogging and you're shooting yourself and you want to keep yourself in the shot, even as you walk around, even as you move around, it'll keep you in the shot with some nice smooth movement. If you want to shoot the other direction, you want to shoot scenery or get shots of other people, you can just flip it around and do the same thing. It's basically driven by a motor. It's got to be charged and powered. And the motors are what basically keep these things in place to keep this thing steadily on you the whole time. It's got a little joystick on here so you can micro adjust the movements up and down, left and right as you go along. So I'm going to take this out and take a few test shots using basically just a selfie stick in one shot and then using this smartphone gimbal in the other shot and put them side by side so you can kind of see what the difference is between using something like this as opposed to using just a selfie stick. So check these out. Yeah, so you can see in those examples how much smoother the shots are using the gimbal as opposed to not using the gimbal. It's not perfect. There still is a little bit of movement, a little bit of shake, but it's not that, that jarring, jittery shake that you get from just using a selfie stick or holding it in your hand. Everything is really nice and smooth out. So I'm going to really start using this a lot more often and see what kind of results I get, because so far I like it. And it happens to be Halloween today, so I'm going to take this out tonight and get some real world shooting done in real situations, see what kind of shots I can get out there using this smartphone gimbal. And I'll post the video after this so you can check it out. I definitely recommend checking out something like this, especially if you're doing a lot of video shooting on your phone or even a small device like a GoPro. It really helps out, keeping a nice smooth image while you're shooting in video. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like the kind of stuff that we're doing here, definitely subscribe to the channel and click on that little notification bell. This way you'll be notified every time we post a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.